we think it's time for a new period of periods. What is period underwear? Period underwear is your reusable and washable alternative to single-use period products like pads and tampons. Built-in protection absorbs your menstrual flow while keeping you fresh, dry, and odor-free. The inner layer effectively controls odor while keeping you dry and fresh all day. The second layer absorbs and holds up to 4 tampons worth. The third layer keeps you leak-free. The ultra-thin gusset holds up to 4 tampons worth for up to 12 hours of secure, non-bulky comfort. And the best part? It feels just like you're wearing regular underwear. Before first use. In order to activate the absorbent layer, you have to wash the period underwear before the first use, just like new towels. We recommend soaking them for 24 hours in cold water and then washing according to instructions, either by hand using a mild detergent or by machine in a cold cycle of 30 to 40 degrees centigrade. After the wash, let them hang dry and they are ready to be used. Step 1. Wearing period underwear. Depending on your flow, you can wear the period underwear for up to 12 hours. This is because the absorbent layer is so effective and can contain up to 4 times as much as a regular tampon. This means that most people just need to change morning and evening. In other words, no interruptions at work, school, or your precious, well-deserved sleep. You can also use with a cup for backup on heavier days. Step 2. Rinsing and washing. When the underwear is full, rinse it in cold water until it runs clear. Then either wash by hand using a mild detergent or at 30 to 40 degrees centigrade in a washing machine. If you are on the go, you can put them in a wet bag and bring them home to wash. Step 3. Drying. Once you've washed your period underwear, simply hang them to dry naturally. This is the gentlest way to maintain their effectiveness for as long as possible. Because of the absorbent layer, they take a little longer to dry than your regular underwear, but you will quickly get a hang of the drying time. And please do not iron, use fabric softeners, or tumble dry your period underwear. Step 4. Reuse and repeat. We recommend owning 3 to 5 pairs of period underwear to accommodate your full cycle. The AllMatters period underwear are made to be used again and again. They are designed in Denmark and made in Portugal from the best materials we could find in terms of comfort, sustainability, and durability. Absorbency, size, and fit. 1 pair of panties can absorb the equivalent of up to 4 regular pads, or 4 regular tampons, or 1 cup. So how long do they last? They're tested to work well for at least 50 washes. That should be more than 2 years. With good care, they can likely last even longer. That means each pair can replace more than 200 pads or tampons. The underwear comes in 7 sizes to ensure a perfect fit. Tips and facts. How to tell if the underwear is full? Most people simply get a sense of it. One of the first signs is a slightly wet or moist feeling, which is different from the usual dry and comfortable feeling of the absorbing underwear. Period underwear is a game changer for your first period. Forget the hassle of bulky pads or the learning curve of inserting tampons. Just slip into your comfortable new period underwear and you're good to go. PFAS and health. Not all period underwear is created equal. Look for a product made by Okotex certified suppliers and that ensure no added PFAS or nano-silver treatments. Benefits. Feel free by bleeding free, but without leaks and without monthly waste from pads and tampons. While period panties might not save the world, every little action towards a sustainable future matters. As we say, it all matters. Millions of women already made the switch to period underwear all over the world. Get started with a full satisfaction guarantee at allmatters.com.